Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to enable master password lockout on this laptop. To do this, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu. To enter the BIOS menu, you'll have to power on your PC and then repeatedly press F2 key when it powers on until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Then, using right arrow key, navigate to Security tab, and then using down and up arrow keys, select Enable Master Password Lockout, press Enter to change the value, and then select the enabled value and click Enable. And that's it. Now to save changes, press F10 and Enter to confirm. If you want to discard changes, press Escape and Enter to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.